Looking for the best magnetic tape measure for your toolbox? In this video, we compare the top magnetic tape measures based on magnet strength, standout reach, durability, accuracy, and overall value. Whether you're a professional contractor, electrician, HVAC technician, or DIY enthusiast, these picks can make measuring faster, easier, and more precise. Watch until the end to discover which magnetic tape measure earned the top spot. Check the description box below for product links and additional details. Number 1 is the Crescent Lufkin 25 feet SHOCKFORCE Night Eye Magnetic Tape Measure. Built for job site abuse, it's drop-tested from 120 feet onto concrete, with a bolstered case, reinforced fastening points, and metal lock button guardrails for market-leading durability. The flatter, stable wing blade gives you 17 feet of stable reach with reduced rollover and easier marking, while the high-contrast tricolor Night Eye blade with XL markings stays visible even in low light. A 3X clear coat plus mylar coating on the first 6 inches protects against wear and abrasion, and the 360 degrees diamond-coated magnetic hook grabs securely at any angle. An easy on and off deep pocket belt clip keeps it secure when not in use. At 1.42 pounds with plus or minus 1/16 of an inch accuracy, it's a reliable, easy-to-read SAE tape backed by Stanley's limited lifetime warranty, an especially convenient pick for tradespeople working around metal. Number 2 is the Milwaukee Compact Wide Blade Magnetic Tape Measure. This 25 feet tape features a 1-inch wide steel blade with up to 15 feet of standout reach, plus a magnetic tip that grabs onto EMT and steel studs for easier one-person measuring. The blade is protected by a nylon coating for wear and impact resistance, with an added anti-tear coating on the first 6 inches to reduce blade tearing at the most stressed section. The compact alloy steel case is built with a 5-point reinforced frame, giving it solid impact resistance for daily job site use. At just 16 ounces, it's lightweight and easy to carry on a belt while still delivering dependable, accurate measurements. With its black and red design, magnetic lock, and rugged construction, it's a solid all-around choice for contractors and DIYers who need a compact, durable tape measure they can rely on. Number 3 is the Stanley FATMAX 25 feet magnetic tape measure. Designed for electricians, plumbers, and steel framers, it features a strong, rare earth magnet that holds securely to metal surfaces like pipes, beams, and ducts. The 1¼ inches wide blade offers 11 feet of standout for solid reach, and blade armor coating extends blade life up to 10 times longer than a standard Stanley tape. A 3-rivet, corrosion-resistant True Zero magnetic hook delivers accurate readings every time, while 16 inches and 19.2 inches stud center markings make framing layouts quick and simple. The slide lock feature holds the blade firmly in place, and the durable metal case and blade stand up to daily job site wear. At 1.1 pounds with plus or minus 1/16 of an inch accuracy, it's a reliable, easy-to-read tape backed by Stanley's limited lifetime warranty, an especially convenient pick for tradespeople working around metal.
Number 4 is the Klein Tools 9225 Heavy-Duty Tape Measure. This 25-foot tape features a tough nylon-reinforced steel blade with a 13-foot standout and up to 16 feet of usable reach, all protected by a durable nylon coating that safeguards blade printing for long-lasting readability. Bold, easy-to-read markings every 1/8 inch appear on both the front and back of the blade, giving you 2 full measurement scales for added versatility. A double hook with a strong magnet secures to studs, conduits, pipes, and other ferromagnetic surfaces on either side of the blade, making solo measuring simple. The retraction speed brake controls blade recoil, protecting fingers while extending tool life. Housed in a rugged metal and nylon case with a metal belt clip, it's built to handle demanding job site conditions. Backed by Klein Tools' generations of craftsmanship since 1857, it's a dependable choice for professionals who need accuracy and durability every day. Number 5 is the Komelon 7125 Monster MagGrip 25-foot measuring tape. This 1-inch nylon-coated blade features a magnetic dual-end hook, making it easy to take accurate measurements solo, with a powerful magnetic tip that grips firmly to iron and steel surfaces. Double-sided printing allows for precise marking and line drawing from either angle. The impact-resistant rubberized case protects the end hook and button from job site wear, while the nylon coating covers the full blade for added durability and reduced glare. Made from high-grade carbon steel using cold rolling and heat treatment, it resists kinking and bending, and deburred edges help prevent early corrosion. At just 8 ounces, with plus or minus 0.032 accuracy, it's a lightweight, reliable pick for electricians, plumbers, framers, welders, and HVAC pros working around ferrous metals. Backed by a 1-year warranty and rated 4.6 stars from thousands of users. Number 6 is the DURATECH 25-foot magnetic double-sided tape measure. Built with thickened, nylon-coated carbon steel, this blade stays rigid enough to extend 7 feet without bending, while a wear-resistant, drop-proof ABS and TPR shell protects against job site abuse. Powerful magnets on the hook grip metal surfaces effortlessly, and double-sided printing makes single-person measuring easy from either angle. A secure thumb lock slides smoothly for reliable locking, and the 0-point correction hook self-adjusts to account for hook thickness on inside measurements, keeping readings precise. Easy-to-read markings include 1/8-inch fractions, foot marks, and triangle stud markings every 19.2 inches, making it a practical choice for engineers, builders, and carpenters. A metal belt clip and portable hanging lanyard add convenience for indoor and outdoor use, rounding out a durable, feature-packed tape at a budget-friendly price point. That wraps up our roundup of the best magnetic tape measures. We hope this comparison helped you find the right option for your projects, whether you need strong magnetic grip, long standout, durability, or easy-to-read markings. Check the description box below for product links and more details. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more tool reviews and buying guides.